Hey, to connect your Battle.net with the YouTube, all you have to do is just open your browser and open the Battle.net website, the official Battle.net website, and simply log in into your current existing Battle.net account. So in my case, I'm actually using the same account like on my Battle.net application. And next we'll have to open the YouTube website. We have to be logged into our YouTube account, and we have to click on the right upper corner on our profile picture, go into the settings, and from here go into the connected apps. Then from this list, select Battle.net, click to connect, tap to connect one more time, click continue, and from here select your currently login account. If for some reason you don't have here your account, you can also click to log in to another account or simply create account. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.